What's going on, Savage Life family? Today we're going to be talking about my moves for this week, what happened with my portfolio currently, and you know, mistakes that were made and how we're overcoming those challenges. But before we do, I want you to smash that like, subscribe, and comment before we move on to the intro. Let's get on to the video. So like I said, this is going to be a little quick video. Today we're looking at my portfolio. It's down from 6,000 to 5,500 currently, but still my all-time I'm up $130, which is only 2%. And I'm telling you, in the upcoming month or two, that all-time price is definitely gonna skyrocket with the moves that I am currently making for TNA. So as you guys know, I did have American Airlines, and I was stuck with them at a $17 share price with 200 shares, and they dropped all the way to $11. They just kept plummeting and plummeting and plummeting, and I definitely decided to cut my losses at $11, leaving me at a $1,000 loss for American gain, due to the fact that debt is choking the life out of American Airlines. Okay, in the past they burned up $55 billion in Q2, and it's only rising due to the fact of the interest piling up from the loans and the lack of cash flow. Nobody is getting on airplanes, guys. This virus, we don't know how long it's going to last, and bankruptcy is right around the corner for this company. If they don't get it together by 2020, we're going to be looking at bankruptcy definitely, and people are going to be losing lots of money. So I definitely decided to cut my losses now before it became too late. And on the bright side, I did it on the fact that I was still positive on my portfolio. If not, I would have definitely held it for the L. But due to the fact that I decided to use the money that was in AAL, and decided to do an additional put on TNA to be able to increase my weekly profit by $100 to $100 to $70 selling puts on TNA. In the upcoming months, I'm definitely gonna be able to make my money back. So it's not that big of an L, and it was a huge learning experience. I want to know those of you who do have American Airlines, and if you're planning on holding, please tell me the reason why. That is a risky stock to get into, and airlines, if you're not messing with the ETFs, individual airline stocks do carry a huge risk. But on the upside, if they do flip around, you are going to be making bank. So I am going to be keeping an eye on American Airlines and see if they end up coming around. Like I said, making this video, I did sell it when it was at $11.55. I am also keeping an eye on a couple of stocks like AMD. It's currently at $83, which is insanely overpriced according to Market Watch and the stock market. But to me, AMD is an amazing tech company. My whole computer is filled with AMD products. I have an AMD Ryzen 9 chip, so I definitely love the AMD company. And $83 does not look overvalued to me, but it is a little iffy due to the fact that the P/E ratio just does not line up. The ratio is at 150.97. A lot of investors don't really go by a P/E ratio, but I like to keep an eye on it. So definitely, if I don't see an AMD in the upcoming couple of weeks, I'm definitely gonna put some money into it and definitely swing trade this. Let me know if you guys see AMD hitting $100, or if you see it dropping back down after Intel gets their chips together and releases their new processor. So that's my moves for this week. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and comment. And also, for those of you who are into investing and don't have Robinhood, click the link in the description below for a free stock. Thank you and have a good day.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.